We're going to be printing today on some black jars with white ink with the RNjet 100 printer.
So in this case, we're going to be using white solvent-based ink on plastic lids.
This is a conveyor system that you can get if you don't have a line already set up. But I want to start with always creating your speed on your conveyor first. So with our system, we can adjust speed. So here, if I wanted to tighten up my letters, which printed last time like that, I'm going to increase the speed on my printer. I go to, I don't know how much, let's say 220. Hit set. Still in print mode. We want to tighten that up some more. We'll go to 300.
So synchronizing the speed, the delay, and the conveyor speed is important with these printers.
290. Now I need to set my delay.
Here you can see the print is too long. We changed it, we tightened it up. Printer speed was good, but then we needed to adjust the delay to get it printing in the center of the jar.
Because now I have the delay from the sensor here to the print head. I'm going to set the delay to more.
Now here's the difference on the left is the one that I just printed. Here's a series of how it went and then how we contracted it.
So turn off print mode, hit that button. I'm going to change my message to a logo. Open. Let's see if I can print that logo now. Print mode on.
Here's an example of how the handwork might go. So now we're printing the logos. And here we're printing barcodes. There we go, printing with the RNMark printer with the printing barcodes, printing logos, and printing batch, code, and best before dates.